It's Halloween time again, boys and girls, so let us show you some Halloween hacks right here at Tipsy Bartender. So first things first, what do we have? Dry ice. We love dry ice, okay? You go to your store, get some dry ice, cut it up into small pieces, and you put those in the bottom. Put regular ice on top. You do not want dry ice touching your lips or getting in your mouth. Dry ice doesn't make you sick. That's just carbon dioxide that you see flowing out there. So it's quite fine. And dry ice is a lot of fun, makes your drink look spectacular. Here's spider ice cubes, but you could get any insect. And what you do is you just put them inside your ice cube tray. Then you put your water in, put them in the freezer, and now when you serve your drinks, you have an insect inside, okay? Really freaky guest out. How's that? Awesome? Love it. We freeze them and bang, break them out. Beautiful. You see how clear that is? If you're a clear ice enthusiast, there's some twists you could put on that, but guess what? I mean, look at that. Look at it. It's scary. I don't want that in my drink because I'm scared. Oh my God, what is it? Is it gonna bite me? Okay. Arachnophobia, is that what it's called? You guys all know that, remember that movie? Try to spell it though. Guarantee I'd catch a couple of you. All right, beautiful. Next up, we have the ice hand. Look at that, okay? That's somebody's hand got chopped off, put in your punch. All you need is a latex glove, pour the water in. You want to wash your latex glove first because a lot of them have like powder on it so that it doesn't stick. So, wash your latex glove, fill it up, freeze it, cut it open, and then you have a little hand. Look at that, huh? That's right, floating around, keep your drink cool, looks real cool. Here's another added twist. Apple heads, they look like shrunken skulls, okay? So what you do, you peel your apple, all right? Beautiful. Cut a piece off, all right? Core it, and now you go around, squeeze lime on it. The reason why you're squeezing lime on it is so that it doesn't turn brown. However, brown in this particular case might not be that bad because it should be rotten looking maybe, but squeeze some lemon on. Okay, and now you carve in a little face, put some scars on it, some battle wounds, okay? Keep it super sexy. Yes, sir. Beautiful. Love it. Now we drop it in the oven for 90 minutes, bake at 250. It can shrink a little bit because it's supposed to be like a shrunken head, okay? Next up, we have test tube shots. You guys have seen these before, and these are really easy to do because you can take any shot, put it in a test tube, and all of a sudden it has a Halloween feel. That right there is just melon liqueur going in, okay, to give us a nice green, okay? Then we want vodka. We come in behind that with some red food coloring to give us a little bit of red, a little bit of blood floating through it. Super cool, all right? Really, really cool. Get your test tube on. All right? Don't steal one from the science lab, okay? All you guys in college. Next up is the syringe shot. You see these a lot with Jello shots, but they don't have to be Jello shots, okay? You could put any kind of shot in here, pull it in the syringe, and you just squirt it right in the person's mouth, okay? Don't actually make contact with their mouth. Keep a little distance, okay? Because I don't want your backwash touching my beautiful mouth. Next up is a blood garnish. So what we have is corn syrup, and we mix that with red food coloring, and it gives us this really thick, bloody look, okay? And when you use it, you rim your glass in it, and it drains. It gives you this real cool blood effect. She added some chocolate syrup to it too. Beautiful, rich-looking blood. Okay, but some of you might not have chocolate syrup. You could just go red food coloring. But chocolate syrup obviously makes it a much more arterial bleeding for those of you that did a little bit of biology. That's right, the arteries, when they burst. Oh my God, like the aorta. Anyway, this right here is the eyeballs. Watch how we do these. Add in a bit of red jam, and then you could stick in a blueberry, and all of a sudden now, okay, stick it into that lychee, and all of a sudden now you have a bloody eye. But it's fully edible and it's delicious because lychees are delicious, blueberries are delicious, okay? And that jam is delicious. Next up, this one's real cool. You could take a radish, okay, cut out the heart. Well, not the heart. Cut a hole in it to make a. Then you cut off the top of an olive, stick that in there. Now you have another little eyeball, okay? Depending on what kind of eye you want. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, many of you have heard of vodka gummy bears. How about gummy worms, okay? Put them in, soak them in some booze, preferably vodka, okay? Let it sit. Gotta sit for a while, okay? It can be there for like 24 hours, maybe 2 days. All right, and then you break them out and it's good to go. And last but not least, glow in the dark, okay? Tonic water has this ingredient. See it right there? It's called quinine. When you put that under a black light, it glows. So you want to use tonic water in your drinks. So yes, those were 10 hacks. Have fun. Stay tipsy this Halloween.